Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Thursday. I can't believe we're almost at the end of the week already. We're on Thursday already, so let's see what we're getting up to today. So, as always, boys and girls, we're going to go on and do our check-in. Okay, our Google check-in. Let me know how you're feeling today, and maybe if you know why you're feeling that way. But that's okay if you don't. So we're going to check in this morning like we always do, and there will be a thing link as well for you with all your tasks for today are. Okay, boys and girls, our starter task today is to try and make as many words as you can from this very long word. Now, it's not as long as some of the words we've had, but it still is quite a long word, so it's incomprehensibilities. Okay, so to start you off, there is hen or hens there, H-E-N-S. Okay, you could put, let me see, bin or bins. So there's lots of different words you could use or make from these letters. Now, I know, as I said yesterday, I know you're very good at these, and well, let's see who can get the biggest word today. Okay, so how many letters will we get today? Okay, our spelling task today. Okay, make your own phoneme story with some of your phoneme words, so you don't have to use your common words, but you have to make your own phoneme story with some of your phoneme words. You could maybe even create a picture to go with it if you've got time. Now, only spend, as I said, 10 to 15 minutes on this task. It's not a big long task, just a little short one. Now, just to let you know as well and to remind you, tomorrow, which is Friday, you are going to be doing dictation with me. So remember, with your dictation, you only have a piece of paper, a pencil, and a rubber, and your words aren't near you. What we're doing tomorrow for our dictation is we're going to do it as a Teams meeting. Okay, so at 9:30 tomorrow, we will have a Teams meeting until 10:15 so that we can do our dictation. So hopefully I'll see quite a lot of you there. And remember, with two groups, so I will probably do the blue groups first, and then I'll do the green groups. Okay? Reading. We are having a Teams meeting today, not tomorrow. Tomorrow's dictation. We're having a Teams meeting today to introduce our new book. So the Butterfly Lion. Now, I do not want you to read this beforehand. Just bring your book. Okay? So we're going to have a Teams meeting to introduce our new book. We're going to predict what we think might happen in the book. Excuse me, boys and girls. And then we will read our first chapter together. Okay? While we read, we'll do our metalinguistics. And you know that our metalinguistics are finding tricky words in the book. Okay? So we're going to read and do metalinguistics at the same time, just as we do in class, because we do a lot of this in our class. So what you're going to need with you is a pencil, a piece of paper, and a rubber, just in case, because you're going to write your prediction down on paper. Okay, you're going to write your prediction down, so that'll be really fun, and I'll hopefully see you all then at 9, not 9:30, sorry. Okay, then in numeracy, just like we did yesterday, we're going to go over the multiplying, but this time it's by 100, because again, some of us found it really tricky, so we're just going to go over it. We're only going to multiply 2-digit numbers by 100. We're not going on to multiplying 3-digit numbers. Again, you've got a worksheet and teaching made. It's not a problem solving or a word problem. It's just the questions there that you can fill in. Again, if you've not made them, you could make your tables flashcards, or you could play with your tables flashcards. And again, we've got a sum dog challenge. We're going to try and do some more tables, because you'll need to know your tables for what we're doing tomorrow. Okay? PE. Normally we have PE on a Thursday. Today for PE, instead of having a video, I would like you to go out for a walk or get some fresh air. I would like you to look around you and see if you can find something with each letter of the alphabet. Okay? So starting at A and working your way through. If you can remember when you get home, I would like you to write them down as a list. Okay? So have a look when you're out on your walk. Just talk to the pet, talk to whoever you're walking with. It might be your mum or your dad, or it might be someone else that's looking after you. You can have a wee chat with them while you're going, see the things you see if you can see every letter of the alphabet. I will be really amazed if someone can find every letter, something starting with every letter of the alphabet. That would be amazing, boys and girls. And your last thing for Thursday for learning across the curriculum is to complete 1 or 2 of the Burns or Scottish Week activities, as we said, and listening to our new class reading for enjoyment book. So we'll read another chapter of The Secret Dragon and we'll see what's happening in that. Okay, but have a great day, boys and girls. Again, as I said yesterday and as I say every day, any questions, and email me or Teams, and hopefully I'll get to see some of you this morning on Teams. And I'll get to see some of you hopefully tomorrow on Teams. But have a great day, boys and girls, and I'm really excited for us to start a new book because I think this is going to be a really good one. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Let's keep working hard because I know you all can.